Hey guys, so back with another video. Here the Langtu LT84 with a screen on it. So this is a dream color, dream blue, I guess. So whoa. So that's the switch. Here's the keyboard. Oh, bunch of foam. This box up right. So this comes with a cable. It's a bit different color. Useless cable. I already have a custom cable right here. And this janky thing. Janky keycap switchboard. So let's get this thing out. So here's it. Dang, that's thought. Why is that so deep, bro? Stabilizers sound really good. Out of box sounds decent, bro. Yeah, so this is a blue keyboard. What's that? It sounds so thoughtful even. It's just that maybe the mic isn't good. Damn. So these switches right here. Some golden switches. These look orange, not golden. So these out the box are so rough. See, this is a switch puller. Okay, wait, let me just do something real quick. This comes with a screen. I'll show you it later a bit. Oh yeah, some Holy Panda themed stabilizers. I don't know what thing that Play has, but there's some foams right here. Some dampening right there. Let's see if we flip this. Out the box, it feels really rough a bit. But it's a bit smooth and a bit rough at the same time. And what I like about this is a TKL with a knob. God damn, that's so good. Anyways, let's test out the RGBs. So let's just plug the cable in. Is this wireless? No, not wireless. So it's not cheap plastic, I'll say. But it's not cheap, but it's still plastic, which I don't really like plastic boards. Even though every single board I have is plastic. I plan to get an aluminum board in the future. Anyways, let's turn that on. The screen. So right here is 0, so like the brightness 20, 40. So there's the brightness, and then these are the modes. Oh. Let me just turn that off. How many modes are in here, dude? Oh, turn it off. Anyways, so sound test. So really good stabilizers. Oh. Here's this switch it comes with. Not that one. What the? Oh, this one. I dropped this one right here. The linear golden switch. So yeah. What brand switches are these? Langtu. So I guess they made these switches. So I'm gonna see these are Atumu hot swaps. So let me just go grab them. Anyways, back. So nice switch. Tiny moment of truth. These are Atumu hot swap sockets because those tend to be the worst. Oh crap! Ah, damn it. Anyways. Okay, that is impossible. There, Tito. So these aren't shine throughs. These are just regular non-shine through ABS. Bro. These are almost impossible to take out somehow. Bro. Okay, maybe I'll just do that later. Anyways, this is a good keyboard. Very underrated. Very good stabilizers. This is the video. Bye, guys.